Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in my house for any reason. That is a big no no. You don't ever do that. So, when you are in my house and I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling, never take it off the wall or the ceiling. If you do that, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. And if you don't get arrested by the police, you will be kicked out of my house, and you will never be invited back to my house ever again. Because you are tampering with my fire alarm, and that is not appropriate at all. Bye.